So we start off today's video with this gorgeous lob haircut transformation. Absolutely stunning cut and color. And then we move into another long to short transformation. Such a fresh, chic bob haircut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature a variety of shorter styles, so if you've been thinking of cutting your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. And she has also decided to shake things up with this gorgeous bob. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. Wow, absolutely stunning pixie haircut transformation. And this is a very popular pixie style going on right now. This is more of that asymmetrical pixie look. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we see another beautiful bob here, followed by a blonde bob. And then we see someone with waist length hair. And the stylist ends up doing another fresh, gorgeous lob haircut. Next up, we see someone who has shoulder length hair. So I'm guessing she's probably going to cut her hair into a pixie style as well. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. Her hair looks so much healthier with this pixie style as well. Beautiful. Oh, next up we see this beautiful lob haircut. This one features more of a dramatic angle. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we see how to style a pixie. So she has a beautiful blonde pixie here. She's going to be doing more of like the pompadour style. This is great if you want a little bit of height to your hair. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a fun way to style a pixie. So next up, we have someone who has decided to shave it off. As you guys know, the shaven hair trend is very much so popular. And then we have another pixie transformation. Absolutely stunning, loving that Peter Pan style pixie. Followed by this beautiful bob haircut. And then here we have another bob style. And then we have a big chop transformation. So I think she's going to be getting a pixie haircut with this one. Face framing bangs in the front, gorgeous. Absolutely stunning transformation. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyles, you can check out this video next.